Are you searching across the internet for the Hamster Kombat August 2nd minigame issue and how to solve today's minigame? Well, guess what? You've arrived at the right video. In this video, I will guide you on how to complete the Hamster Kombat broken minigame. Without further ado, let's start. My name is Robert Tim, and I have been trading crypto for around 5 years. I created this channel to guide beginners in crypto. Now, let's get to the topic of solving the minigame and earning the key as a reward. First, it's essential to understand why this minigame is so important. It's simple. This game has an airdrop being farmed by millions of users across the internet. The in-game points might not seem important, as everyone is accumulating a significant amount of tokens by participating in this game. The administrators of this game will definitely make these keys valuable and important for token distribution to users. Now that you know how crucial the key will be for future token claims, let's follow the steps to claim this precious key. Tip: if the game seems broken, don't panic. Try to swap the key to the right after finding the right moment. You have 1 minute for this game, which is enough for a noob. And I know Crypto POV subscribers are not noobs, so make sure to press that button to become a crypto expert. Join our trading group from the link in the bio, as I will be sharing more crypto airdrops and some crypto signals in that group. Thanks for watching.